Sure. You can see it's 100 liters, 8.5 feet compact chest freezer. Yung height niya is 78 cm by 52 cm. can put stop here. Ganda. Sabi din eh. Ayan. Okay. That's it. Ang sabi ay installation instruction. 2 people should be used when moving the appliance. Prior to installation, wipe the outside of the appliance with a soft dry cloth and inside with a lukewarm wet cloth. Place the appliances on a floor that is strong enough to supply it when fully loaded. That's why we said. So, ayan, connect these 5 minutes and blah blah yada yada. Before connecting the appliances to a power source, let it stand up for approximately 6 hours. This will reduce the possibility of malfunction in the cooling system from handling during transportation. Allow for consuming electricity. So this one. This appliances is intended for freestanding installation. It's not intended to be installed appliances can cost. Ayan. So, yung wire basket. Ito yung wire basket inside. Wire basket. And then the control panel. Control panel. This one. This is the control panel. Adjust the temperature. This is the indicator of power. So this is the defrost. You can put the hose here if you wanna defrost it. Drain it. And then adjustable foot. Oh, we can adjust the foot. Let's try it. But I think this one is okay. You don't need to adjust the foot. It's okay. The height is okay. You don't need to adjust. Okay. So, important note. The freezer lid may be difficult to open immediately after closing. This is normal due to the pressure. And I have this. Tell us a comment below, and if you found this video enjoyable, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit subscribe button and remember to click on notification bell. Also be sure to check other videos as well. Thanks for watching everyone. God bless.